Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's there between you and your person. So this is you and your person reading. On one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Capricorns. Okay, so we have the Wheel of Fortune on your side. What's there on your person's side, Capricorns? The Nine of Pentacles. The most likely outcome is in this situation. The most likely outcome in this situation is the Moon. Okay. So on your side we have the Wheel of Fortune. So definitely there is something changing regarding this connection. As far as you are concerned, we'll be seeing in the clarifiers what is this all about. And on your person's side we have the Nine of Pentacles. This person is spending some quality time alone. They are focusing on themselves, they are enjoying themselves, they are having a break. It's something like that. It's about their own happiness. Maybe they are spending time alone because something has happened over here between both of you, and this person is focusing on themselves right now, taking a break from this relationship. Actually, the most likely outcome is the Moon. So this is uncertainty. Things are not very clear as for now as to where this relationship is going to go. Will it or will it not proceed? So, but yes, intuitive guidance is definitely advised in this relationship as far as these three cards are concerned. Anyway, let's see what is this Wheel of Fortune about on your side, Capricorns. What is this Wheel of Fortune for the Capricorns? So for the Wheel of Fortune we have, okay, the Four of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Justice, Six of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles. Let's see what's there for this Nine of Pentacles. Why is this Nine of Pentacles here for on your person's side, Capricorns? So for the Nine of Pentacles we have the Nine of Wands, the Emperor, yes, with the Five of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. And the High Priestess. Okay. And the Wheel of Fortune once again. Definitely things are changing and the world being there. Okay. So now we'll see what is this Moon about. So what is this? Why is this Moon here for as the most likely outcome? Please tell me what is this Moon here for as the most likely outcome for Capricorns. So for the Moon we have the Six of Wands, the Strength, the Queen of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, the King of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Swords, Death and Rebirth, the Five of Pentacles. Anything else? Six of Pentacles. Okay. So what I feel here is okay, so as far as you are concerned, Capricorns, there has been a situation which required some sort of healing. You were also focusing on yourself, like this person is focusing right now. So definitely some sort of healing was required, or you've been doing some sort of healing. And while the time you took off and you were focusing on yourself and you were healing, you realized that you want a new beginning with this person. That's what I feel. So you have also definitely taken some time off either from this connection for something which has happened between both of you, And you have definitely taken some time, you've been thinking about it and contemplating as to what it is, and now you have the clarity. Okay, the decision is clear to you in your mind that you are ready to leave the past behind and you want a new beginning this with this person. So perhaps there was a time which you took to take this decision. That's what I feel. So with the Four of Swords, maybe it was just the time you took, you were healing, can be there, but otherwise also you had put this on rest, or you were just taking your own time basically. So there has to be some reason basically that you were taking that time to decide. So you have taken your time to decide, you were healing, you were focusing on yourself, whatever it was, but yes, you have taken some time to decide, and now the thing is very clear, the path ahead is very clear to you right now. So whatever the confusion was in your mind has really cleared up while the time you surrendered this to time, or you've given the time to the relationship or the situation, or to given the time to decide. So now the things are very clear in your mind, things are very sorted out now, you know how to go about it, what you actually want. And once this realization and this clarity came to you, things have balanced in your life, and now you have taken a decision that yes, I really want to let go of whatever was in the past, and I really want a new beginning. And that is what you are understanding, and you are there with your heart and with your emotions, and you want a new beginning with this person. And here on this person's side we have the Nine of Pentacles. For that we have the Nine of Wands, the Emperor, the Five of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune, and the World. So what I feel here is that this person perhaps was waiting for you since a long time somehow. So what I feel here is that the person on this side was not able to make a decision, or did not have the clarity as to what to do. Do you really want, or you don't want this connection, something like that. So you you have taken your time. Person here has taken the time to decide, and now they have decided. And here this person seems to be waiting for since a long time, and that is why it's just, since they are waiting and just focusing on themselves, being single, it's somebody here waiting for this person to come in and make a decision. That's what I feel. And with the Five of Swords and the Ten of Swords, and the Emperor being there, what I feel is this person is a very strong person personality wise. So this person has the patience to wait for you. Okay, that is what it is. This person has the patience and the confidence, I should say. They knew that you will come, sort of, either, or they've been waiting for you confidently and patiently. So it's something like confidence and patience and the courage, and whatever you call it, it is, since this person is waiting for you since a long time. And though things were not very easy for them, it wasn't easy for them, and maybe there had been some sort of argument or something between both of you regarding the commitment which this person wanted. Okay, but yes, since you were not doing anything, you were not taking up a decision, you had put it on a standstill sort of a thing, or you were not stepping up, I should say. Even if you were talking, I'm not saying you were not talking and all that, but yes, maybe you are not talking about the commitment aspect at least. So somebody here was waiting for the decision from the other person's side regarding a commitment, and that might have been a cause of some sort of argument or a fight, or some sort of concern for this person, at least, even if they've said it to you or not. But this was a cause of concern for this person, though they were waiting for you confidently and patiently and with a lot of strength and all. They've been really waiting for you, okay, for this commitment, for you to decide. And with the High Priestess being there, the Wheel of Fortune, and the World, because this person already knew intuitively all the way along that you are the person for them, you are the person who's meant for them. And so this person had been not doing much in this, because they were just waiting. Okay, they were just waiting for your decision, that I should say. And with the Wheel of Fortune in the World, things are now changing. This person really knows that, and since now you have to made a move, or you're planning to make a move, things are changing on the sides, and a new chapter is ready to begin on this person's life also. And with the Moon card is the most likely outcome. What I feel here is, see, what I feel here is, in this situation, things were not very clear, because somebody here, as I said, was not making a move, and that was you were not making a move, and because of which the other person felt a lot of tension and anxiety. Maybe the anxiety and tension was on the both the parts, because maybe in between there were some talks about that which were not coming to a conclusion, or not coming to any solution, because of which the other person felt ignored. Somebody here felt ignored and was really tense about it. And uh, even if they were not showing you, it can be that this person wasn't showing you the emotions and the whatever they were facing. Somebody was not showing the anxiety and the tension and the rejection which they were facing, and they felt abandoned. Whosoever it was, this person may not have shown this to you, and because of this, what I feel, this relationship was on a halt, or maybe there was actually a disconnect, because somebody here was not deciding, the other person was waiting. So actually, though love was there perhaps, but things were not going anywhere, and it seemed to be like things have ended, sort of. Okay, but yes, things are balanced. There is an urge to sort out things and to balance things. And here what I feel is, with the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Queen of Wands, Eight of Cups, and the Strength, and the Six of Wands, what I feel here is, ultimately, though things are not very clear as for now, for the most likely outcome which has come up over here, but then yes, somebody here, or I should say both of you, are ready to leave the past behind. It's not easy. You've been dealing with this situation, but yes, somebody here is determined to make it happen. Somebody here is determined to make it happen, because there are a lot of emotions, or maybe both of you are determined to make it happen, ready to leave the past behind, because you know there is a lot of attraction, a lot of emotions in this connection. So you know that. So what I feel is that this situation can be, or this situation can be worked on. That's what I feel. This stability can be restored, no matter how tough the situation may seem right now, no matter how much tense the situation may be right now. But what I feel is, since both of you are ready to get back together, I think situations will be sorted out. That's what I feel. The Six of Pentacles being there. It may take some time, definitely. It may take some time, but I think it will be if you try to. See, what is the guidance from the universe for the Capricorns? The Union of Hearts. Just see the beautiful card. Number 28 may be of some significance for you. The Union of Hearts, a love connection that defies explanation. So this is what this connection is. And that is why deep within, all the time, this person knows that you are meant for them. And this connection has to happen. And that is why they're waiting so confidently for you. So beautiful reading, Capricorns. I just hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.